Hello everyone, welcome back to Sparaya YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to turn on power saving on Samsung Galaxy A56. Alright guys, so yeah, for those of you whose cell phone battery is running low and you're outside and do not have a charging cable, don't need to be worried guys, because the Samsung Galaxy A56 cell phone has a feature to save battery, so has to reduce excessive of battery usage. And how to turn on battery saving, it's very easy. So yeah, now let's do the tutorial. Okay, the first thing first, now you can swipe down on the home screen to go to control center. And then so yeah, the next step is you can turn on the power saving like this. So yeah, your battery will reduce excessive battery usage. Alright guys, it's easy right? So yeah, here's the tutorial on how to turn on power saving on Samsung Galaxy A56, and thank you so much for watching.